easier said than done.
It's easier when you did what I did. You just hopped off the boat onto the tube. There you go. Here, I'll even move over so you can have this side. There you go. There you go. Now just jump off and jump on.
Now what am I supposed to do?
Jump up here.
Yeah.
Like I did. Just jump up. Hold on. Jump. There you go.
Okay, I'm in.
That's a long rope. Make sure Paul does the rope. That's a long rope. We don't want to get stuck in the.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Here we go.
Yeah, as long as I don't get chewed up by the motor, I don't care.
Yeah, well, I'm just worried about that rope getting chewed in the motor.
I don't care.
Here we go.
As long as I'm not chewed in the motor, I don't care.
No, there we go. Here we go.
Hey, we got it tied good to the side.
Here we go. Oh, we. Oh. After all this, we finally got on the lake, and the boat dies. And the boat died. Okay. Oh, you took yours off?
Fuck yeah.
I can't swim, so.
Seriously?
No, I can't. So,
Seriously?
should I take mine off too then?
No.
Oh, okay.
You don't know how to swim.
Well, I'm trying to. They wouldn't let me have it. I was like, you give me my phone. The reason I brought this. Here we go. Woo-hoo! Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I feel like I'm going to fall off the back. Look at my toes are pointing. Woohoo!
They're getting water in the back of the boat.
I can't. Here we go. I can't. Yeah, they're getting a lot of water in the back of the boat. Oh, I gotta sit up. This is hurting. This is hurting my sides.
Come on up.
Oh.
Come on up. There you go.
Oh! Oh! No! 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 We lost one! Hey! Hey! We lost her! Shit! Shit! Wait! Are you holding on? Are you holding on?
Yeah, but I lost my life jacket.
Oh my God! I can barely hold on. Stop! 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 I saw that. Stop! Let me in the boat. I don't want to be out here no more.
I'm gonna get my life jacket.
Don't worry about it. They're a dime a dozen. Oh, the boat's sinking. Oh my, the boat's sinking.
Oh my God, the boat.
Oh my God. Oh my God. The boat's sinking. Okay. Okay. Alright, it's a shit show again. Oh my God.
Get the water going now.
I'm gonna sign off for now.